everyone, and welcome back to this week's Hot Jobs. We're seeking to fill a procurement assistant and data operations specialist for 2 companies located in Rhode Island. For the first hot job this week, we're seeking a procurement assistant for a growing manufacturing company located in Tiverton, Rhode Island. The position is fully remote and offers a competitive wage and benefits package. In this role, you'll be assisting creating purchase orders, handling invoice discrepancies, performing data entry and purchasing and inventory modules. For the data operations role, we're seeking an extremely detailed individual with previous experience with order entry and data manipulation in a customer service setting. In this position, you'll be reporting to Johnston, Rhode Island every day, and they too offer multitude of growth opportunities and a wonderful benefits package. If either of these roles interest you, apply today, citypersonnel.net.